Hello lovely girls, and welcome to our video. Are you looking to elevate your daily life by curating a visually appealing and cohesive aesthetic? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be sharing valuable tips and tricks on how to create, maintain, and enhance your personal aesthetic. From fashion choices to home decor, we will guide you through the process of curating a style that resonates with your individuality and personality. Whether you're a newcomer to the world of aesthetics or looking to refine your existing style, this video is packed with inspirational ideas and practical advice to help you on your journey. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and join us as we explore the art of curating your aesthetic lifestyle. Before you start curating your aesthetic, it's important to identify the style that resonates with you the most. Whether you prefer a minimalistic look with clean lines and neutral colors or a bohemian vibe with eclectic patterns and textures, finding your aesthetic style is the first step towards creating a cohesive and visually pleasing space. These suggestions can help you to understand how to develop and maintain their desired aesthetic lifestyle effectively. Creating a cohesive color palette for your aesthetic can help tie together the different elements of your style and create a harmonious overall look. Here are some tips to help you create a cohesive color palette. Start with a base color. Choose one or two main colors that will serve as the foundation of your palette. This can be a color that you love or one that reflects the mood or theme of your aesthetic. 2. Use a color wheel. Look at a color wheel to help you choose complementary colors that will work well together. Analogous colors those next to each other on the color wheel create a harmonious palette, while complementary colors opposites on the wheel can add a dynamic contrast. Third, consider the 603-010 rule. Divide your color palette into percentages, with 60% being the dominant color, 30% the secondary color, and 10% an accent color. This can help balance your palette and create visual interest. Decluttering and organizing your space to reflect your aesthetic can be a rewarding process. Here are some tips to help you achieve a clean and personalized space. Define your aesthetic. Before you begin decluttering, take some time to define your aesthetic. This will help guide your decisions on what items to keep, what to let go of, and how to organize your space. Declutter. Start by going through your belongings and removing items that no longer serve a purpose, are broken, or don't align with your aesthetic. Consider donating, recycling, or selling items that you no longer need. Organize your belongings by category, for example, clothing, books, accessories, to help you see what you have and streamline your space. Invest in storage solutions like bins, baskets, and shelves to keep items organized and easily accessible. Display your favorite items. Showcase items that reflect your aesthetic and bring you joy. Fourth, certainly, here are a few DIY decor ideas to personalize your space. Create a gallery wall using your favorite photos, artwork, and prints. You can mix and match frames for a unique look. Create your own string art piece using nails and colorful string. You can choose a design or pattern that reflects your interests. 3. Upcycled furniture. Give old furniture a new life by repainting or refinishing it in a style that suits your taste. You can also add decorative elements like stencils or decals. For customized throw pillows, make your own throw pillows by sewing or painting designs onto plain pillow covers. This is a great way to add a pop of color and personality to your space. 5. Potted plants. Bring nature indoors by creating a mini indoor garden with potted plants. You can paint the pots in fun colors or patterns to match your decor. If you are a schoolgirl, then some tips I can give to bring aesthetic vibes in school. Decorate your backpack or tote. Add pins, patches, or keychains to accessorize your school bag and showcase your personality. I will make a full detailed video for Be Aesthetic in School. Before continuing the video, I have a request that show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and leaving a comment below. Your engagement means the world to us and helps us bring you more awesome content. 5 recommendations for clothing and fashion items that fit your aesthetic. I can suggest some general fashion items that are popular and versatile for various styles. Here are some recommendations for clothing and fashion items. 1. Oversized blazers, a stylish and versatile piece that can be dressed up or down. 2. Chunky knit sweaters, perfect for staying cozy and adding texture to your outfit. 3. High-waisted mom jeans, a classic and flattering style that pairs well with various tops. 4. White sneakers, a wardrobe staple that adds a casual yet chic touch to any outfit. 5. Midi slip dresses, effortlessly elegant and can be layered with a turtleneck or a denim jacket for a more casual look. 6. Statement earrings, elevate your outfit with a pair of bold earrings to add a pop of color or texture. 7. Printed scarves, versatile accessories that can be worn in various ways, from wrapping around your neck to styling as a headband. Ways to maintain and evolve your aesthetic over time. 1. Stay inspired. Look for inspiration from various sources such as fashion magazines, social media, art exhibitions, nature, or even movies and TV shows. Keep a mood board or Pinterest board to collect ideas that resonate with your style. 2. Update your wardrobe regularly. Purge items that no longer fit your aesthetic or lifestyle and invest in pieces that reflect your evolving style. Consider adding some statement pieces, mixing different textures, or experimenting with new colors. 3. Experiment with hair and makeup. Changing your hairstyle or trying out new makeup looks can instantly refresh your overall look. Consider consulting with a stylist for recommendations that suit your aesthetic. For incorporate accessories, accessories can make a big difference in elevating your outfit and expressing your personal style. Play around with jewelry, scarves, hats, belts, and bags to enhance your look. As we come to the end of today's video, I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. Remember, stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way. Until next time, stay awesome and keep chasing your dreams. See you in the next video.